In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize gift cards on your Shopify website. Whether you're enhancing your store offerings or looking to provide special options for your customers, setting up gift cards can be a valuable addition to your business. Let's walk through this process step by step, making it as simple as possible. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify account and navigate to your store's homepage. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to explore the Shopify dashboard, which offers various options to manage your store effectively. From here, you'll proceed by clicking on the Product section. This is where you'll start the journey of crafting your unique and customized gift cards. Next, within the Products page, you should see an option labeled Gift Cards. Click on this and you'll be directed to where you can begin managing gift cards for your store. Here, we want to create a new gift card, and to do so, look for the button that says Create Gift Card and click on it. This will open up a new interface designed specifically for setting up your gift card. Now let's focus on the details of the gift card creation. You'll see a field for the gift card code. This code is essential because it uniquely identifies each gift card you issue. Make sure you're comfortable with the code generated automatically, or feel free to customize it to suit your store's branding or promotional style. The next important detail is the initial value of the gift card. Consider what denominations align with your typical product prices and customer preferences. In this section, you can input and adjust the initial value to match your desired amount, making your gift cards attractive and suitable for your audience. When setting up gift cards, you might have specific preferences regarding expiration. By default, Shopify allows you to issue gift cards with no expiration date, which is a flexible option welcomed by many customers. If you prefer though, you can set a specific expiration date by clicking on the Set Expiration Date option. This feature is handy if you want to create a sense of urgency or align with certain promotions. Next up, you have the option to add notes. This feature is perfect for including any special instructions or personalized messages you want associated with the gift card. It adds a touch of customization that can enhance the customer's experience. Finally, after reviewing all the details and ensuring everything is perfect, click on the Save button. This action will finalize the creation of your gift card and make it available for sale or distribution. Once saved, you can easily click on the option to copy the code, allowing you to share this new gift card with your customers instantly. And there you have it, you've successfully created and customized a gift card on your Shopify website. By following these steps, you can provide your customers with flexible and thoughtful options to enhance their shopping experience while promoting your business efficiently. Thank you for watching and happy selling.